Hello friends, today we're going to see how to load the assigned payroll details using HDLs. So we'll first open the any of the worker using person management. So for this navigation it's my client groups on our home page. My client groups, then click on the person management. Once you click on the person management, your search person will appear. Search for worker. So open the details of that worker. So once you open the details of the worker, you will get the employment details of that worker. So in task panel, you will find payroll relationship in payroll section. So click on the task panel, then in payroll relationship, click on the payroll relationship. Here on payroll relationship page, in payroll details you can find the details of the payroll. So here you can find we have not added the payroll over here. So now using HDLs we will add the payroll details for this worker. So worker name is person number is XX test, and we will require the assignment of that worker. So assignment number is XX test underscore assign, and as you see the legal employer is US. So the legislative data group will be, as per the system, is US legislative data group. So now we'll prepare the HDL files. So for this we'll open a sample HDL files. See, this is the required details to load the assigned payroll details. So in this, the attributes we are using are metadata, then assigned payroll, effective start date, effective end date, payroll definition code, legislative data group, and the start date. So now we'll prepare the HDL file. So metadata is merge as we are loading the details. Then object name is assigned payroll. Then effective start date we are going to enter. The effective start date is 9th of April 2021. Then assignment number, as we discussed, assignment number is XX test underscore assign 1. So we are mentioning assignment number, then mentioning payroll definition code over here. So payroll definition code is nothing but the frequency. So we are mentioning frequency as weekly. You can mention bi-weekly, monthly, as you want. Then we are entering the details for LDG. As we discussed, it is belongs to US, so we are entering the legislative data group name is US legislative data group, and the start date must be the same, or you can use the same start date as 9th of April 2020. So in this manner you can prepare the HDL files. Now save that HDL file and make it zip file to load the details in system. So once you zip it, open the data exchange. So navigation is my client group. Click on the data exchange, then click on the import and load the data. Once the import and load data page will appear, click on the import file. Choose your file from the local machine, zip file. So open that zip file, click on the submit button. Then again click on the submit. So once you click on the submit, the process is submitted. So once you click on the refresh page, you will get the status of the import and load of that file. So it is taking time. I think instance is quite slow, so we'll wait for a moment and then again refresh it. So here you can see assigned payroll 1.zip file is started loading. So import is in progress right now. You can see the status of the import. You can refresh to see the changes in import status and load status. So here after refresh you can see the total lines are 1. As we have passing only one record, so it is showing total lines as 1. So once again we'll click on the refresh. So import status is still in progress. So we'll wait for a moment and again click on the refresh after some time to get changes in the import status and the load status. So now after refresh you can see import has been successfully done. So now load status is in progress. So loading is currently in progress. So it means our data is imported successfully. So whatever we passed is imported successfully as per the requirement. So here you can see load is also successfully completed. So data is entered successfully into the system. So we'll check whether the payroll is assigned to that worker or not. So for that we'll move to the home page. Then in my client group, click on the person management again to open the details of that person. Search for that person. Person number is XX test 1. Click on the search. Open the person details. You will get to see employment page over here. So to search the assigned payroll, click on the task panel. In payroll section, click on the payroll relationship. On this page, you can see in payroll details, our payroll has been added to this particular employee. As we know, we have added frequency as weekly and the start date is 9th of April. So earlier there is no record. Currently we are seeing the one payroll frequency. So in this way you can assign payroll to multiple employer. Thank you.